Merry Christmas, everyone. From Darren and I and Pumpkin. We have a little Christmas display out. We love it. We want to add on more next year. Look at our cats enjoying it. We have one cat that follows the train. We had to kind of hold her back. Oh, here goes Snow. I'm going to follow her. Look at Pumpkin having fun. There's Katie.
Merry Christmas.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.